we'll guide you through how to cut in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and make sure you're in the Edit workspace. This is where all the magic happens. You can find it by clicking on the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. Now, you'll want to bring your media into the timeline. Go to the media pool on the top left and drag your video down into the timeline area. Once your clip is in the timeline, you need to select the Blade tool, which is essential for cutting. You can find it in the toolbar that runs across the middle of the screen, and it looks like a small razor blade. Alternatively, you can press the B key on your keyboard, which is a quick shortcut to activate the Blade tool. With the tool selected, simply click on the timeline where you want to make your cut. You'll see a red line indicating where the cut will be made. If you want to undo a cut, you can press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac. Once you've made your cuts, you can switch back to the selection tool by clicking on it in the toolbar or pressing the A key. This allows you to move and rearrange your clips. If you need to delete a section, just highlight the unwanted portion and press the Delete key. To make your cuts precise, use the zoom slider at the bottom of the timeline to get a closer look at your video. This helps in ensuring your cuts are exactly where you want them. Remember, cutting is a fundamental skill in editing, so take your time to get comfortable with these tools. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.